The last part of your site analysis involves an objective look at the strengths and weaknesses of your property. Use plants to accentuate the strengths and cover up the weaknesses. If you have an amazing view or architecture you want to draw attention to, you can frame it. If you have a neighbouring property that you want to see less of, you can make it disappear using plants as a screen. You may be lucky to have established plants in your garden that you can retain and add to. Never feel like there is a benefit to a totally blank slate. Plants take time to grow, and the shade from an established tree should never be taken for granted. Trees frame views beautifully and can be bought in sizes up to 90 litres from retail nurseries. If you have the time and patience, buy them smaller. Moving them from pot to garden bed is easier, and they will undergo less transplant shock. It's great for trees to do their formative growing in the environment they're going to stay in, unless you have the expertise of a specialty tree nursery to rely on. These luscious Tristaniopsis specimens are carefully grown to the highest quality Australian standards in containers up to 500 litres. These sizes are sold to industry professionals well versed in successful planting in large-scale parks and gardens. A good thing to remember, a tree, or any plant for that matter, is only as good as its root system. Climbing plants will also do the job. Just be sure to construct a sturdy trellis that can take the weight of a mature climber. Those things get heavy. Climbers like this flat white is another way to screen unwanted views, and they will achieve the goal faster than a tree. Don't be in too much of a hurry when you're planting your garden. Use your local nursery to identify any of the plants in your backyard that you can't. Horticulturalists have a wealth of knowledge that you can tap into. Establish a relationship with them at the beginning of your gardening journey because you'll be seeing them quite a lot. Once you start, you can get pretty addicted.